Hello and welcome back, everyone. We are here live in Southside San Antonio, home of one of our dealerships. I'm Xander behind the camera, and we have Faith inside this phenomenal home you see right in front of me, known as the Summit. This home right here takes the cake for me. It has to be my favorite home, and that is due to its astounding size of the specs being 4 to 5 beds, 3 baths at 2432 square foot. With that being said, keep in mind, if you like this tour, know that we have 10 more floor plans of this series now live on our website. So let's go on inside so that Faith can show you guys why this home is just so popular.
Hey, Xander.
Hey Faith, how's it going?
Good. I am so excited to show y'all this home today. It is my favorite. I'm pretty sure it's yours too.
Yeah, I just told them that it's my favorite as well.
Gosh, I love this home. But before we get started, I want to ask y'all, how was y'all's Christmas? What did y'all get? Were you safe like I told you to? I am so happy that everyone's Christmas went well, mine went well, and I can't wait to hear down in the comments everything about y'all's Christmas time. Now, let's get started with the tour. So over here is your ginormous living space. It is crazy. You have this beautiful board and batten accent wall. This is optional, but I think it really just makes this room pop, you know? You can put your entertainment center in front, maybe mount your TV, maybe just leave it down and just let this wall bask in its glory. We come over here to our kitchen dining area. You have this huge dining room. I mean, you could put a table double this size and seat like 20 people for all of your holidays or your New Year's party, because New Year's is coming up. Over here we have our kitchen. So much space in here. You got cabinets on cabinets on cabinets. It's just crazy. And you get 6 drawers, which is absurd. Ginormous drawers for so much space, and this really nice vent hood with this light fixture. You can, have some light while you're making your macaroni and cheese. You also have this really big island, plenty of space to store any of your food that you're making. Present it, let people come have a buffet style holiday get together, all those things. Here we have the fridge, stainless steel. We do offer that. And all of these cabinets here, I mean, it's just extra space. It's just never ending here. And they're so deep too. Look at that. It's crazy. I just am mind blown. I love this home. And if you come down this hall, you have this maybe butler's pantry. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but more space, more shelves. I think you can make this a coffee bar. You could spend all your mornings here, making your espresso. People buy those fancy espresso machines now. It's just crazy. And then here you have 3 shelves, more space for your pantry, or it's right next to your washer and dryer hookups. Maybe you want to store your cleaning supplies here. It's just a very functional home. Yes, and here's your washer and dryer hookups over here. You can also put like a folding station almost. I hate folding laundry. It's just so much easier if it's just right here. I don't have to take it back to my room and let it pile up like I normally do. So if we go down this hallway, we're going to check out the primary bedroom. So here is that primary bedroom. Large window, so much natural light, just feels really airy in here and definitely homey. You can fit king, queen, whatever size bed you want, side tables, dresser, TV, who knows. Whatever you like to have in your bedroom can be in here. Now, oh my goodness, if you follow me into here, you get a double vanity in your primary bathroom. So much storage, shelves underneath, deep drawers to store those pesky curling irons and all those things that just clutter everything. Over here, we got your walk-in shower. It speaks for itself. It's huge. I would love to take my showers in here. It'd be amazing. Now, what I think is really neat is how much space you have in here. This has to be like as long as a football field, right?
I think so.
Yes, plenty of room to hang your stuff, put your shoes. You could store your Christmas stuff in here after you've just taken everything down. So now we're gonna head over to our secondary bedrooms and maybe a little extra something as well.
Now, if you guys are just joining us, again, we are in the summit. Specs of this home are 4 to 5 beds, 3 baths with 24-32 square footage.
Yes. So this is something special I was going to tell you about. This is basically a second living space or a den. This could be a man cave. Hey, all you guys like to watch football, isn't the Super Bowl coming up? Watch it in here. This would be amazing. Big screen TV with all your guys watching that football. I think this would be a really awesome experience and a place to just really unwind after your long work week. So this house has so many bedrooms. So we're not gonna go over the details of everyone, but I'm just gonna kind of show you and then we're gonna count them off. This is our first secondary bedroom. You got a big closet over here and plenty of space for whatever you need for your home. Now we're gonna walk over here to our 2 of 5 bedrooms. It just blows my mind. This one is massive. So this one has your closet right here. Shut this door. Again, plenty of space for you. And lots of room for your bed, dresser, anything in here. Now, I have not seen this yet, and I think it's so awesome. You have a Jack and Jill bathroom. I think these are great because these give, maybe you have older kids or maybe you have a grandparent that lives with you. This gives them more of a private bathroom rather than sharing with all of your guests that come in here. Again, so much space, cabinets, shelves, drawers. I mean, endless opportunities. Let me awkwardly get in here. And you have your tub and shower combo in this Jack and Jill bathroom. Let me have Xander come this way and I'll show y'all bedroom number 3. Now this one is quite nice in size. It's huge. Plenty of space again. And you have that closet just like you do in all the other bedrooms. Big window, natural light. And again, this could be your mother-in-law's suite. You know, just anything really nice and spacious for those who are staying with you.
Maybe some bedrooms and then you could have an office.
Yeah, that is true. Here is secondary bedroom number 4. So bedroom number 5. It's huge. Again, closet right here. I mean, you just can't go wrong with the amount of storage that this home offers you. If we come down here, I'll show you that 3rd bath. Now this is the one that all your guests are going to be using, but it is all right here for you. Again, plenty of storage underneath for all your guests. Maybe one of those 5 bedrooms is a guest bed and you got to host some guests. I think that is just, this home is just whatever you want to make it, it can be for you. So thank y'all for joining us on this live. Again, Happy New Year. It's coming up. Let us know down below any of your New Year's resolutions that you're going to do. I know my New Year's resolution is maybe to start working out some more like everyone else's is. But yes, thank y'all for joining us, and I'll see y'all next time.